Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Northside garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at this annunciator. These are Dover Impulse from 1987. This thing travels very fast for 5 stories. Look at this interesting layout. I've never seen this before. 5 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Great view into the campus right there. Elevator dude 3308 has filmed these before. Just gone to 1. Check this out. It's got the old bumpers. Instant door close. Going up, we'll watch the numbers. Whoa, that stopped so hard. Let's go up to 5. Oh, you can barely see the numbers up there. The sun is blocking the screen. All right, down to 1, we'll get a cab view. I don't know if these are computomatic or travel-matic. This is very fast for 5 floors. Whoa, it stopped so hard. There are your fixtures. Here's your phone. See up the shaft right there. See up the shaft right there. All right, there it goes, and that's it.